To connect Credit Karma to Plaid, start by logging into your Credit Karma account through the app or website, using your credentials. Once logged in, access the Link Account feature, typically found under the Accounts or Finances Tools section. Look for an option to link a bank account, and when prompted, choose the integration option. Credit Karma usually uses Plaid to connect with financial institutions, so select Plaid when asked how you'd like to link your bank account. A search bar will appear, allowing you to find your bank or financial institution. If your bank is not listed, you may need to link it directly through Plaid. Enter your bank credentials, and you will be redirected to a login screen, where you will securely enter your bank username and password. Some banks may require additional authentication, such as a verification code, which you will need to complete. After authentication, Plaid will request permission to access certain financial data. Review the permissions carefully and agree if you are comfortable. Once you've granted permission, your bank account will be successfully connected to your Credit Karma account, allowing you to view your bank data and perform relevant functions.